8 things to recycle for money. Before you throw anything away, read the below list. We'll go through some of the best, easiest and most profitable things that you can recycle for money. Best things to recycle for cash. Here are the top 12 things you can get paid to recycle. Mobile phones. There are loads of great phone recycling schemes that offer you money or vouchers in return for your old mobile. Through these schemes, you might be able to get paid directly for your old phone, or you may receive a voucher to go towards a new device. The price you'll be offered will be based on a few factors like the make, model and condition of your phone. Although you'll get paid more for working devices, it is still possible to recycle damaged phones for money, too. Some examples of phone recycling schemes are O2 Recycle, EE Recycle and giffgaff Recycle. We give more info on each of these and list some more good recycling companies in our guide to selling old phones for the best price. To avoid your old clothes ending up in a landfill, it can really help to look into fashion recycling schemes. For example, Rapa Nui, one of the best sustainable fashion brands, has a circular supply chain. This means that, once their clothes are worn out, they can be sent back for free and recycled. When you send back your old Rapa Nui clothes, they'll be transformed into new products, and you'll receive a coupon that gives you money off your next purchase with them. Another great way to recycle clothes is through the Regain app. Through the scheme, you can donate your old clothes to charity to avoid them ending up in a landfill. In return, they'll offer you discount coupons for money off clothes. Plus, some high street fashion retailers have their own clothes recycling schemes. One popular example is the H&M garment collecting program, which offers £5 vouchers in return for clothes, from any brand, not just H&M ones. Want to sell your soles? Shoes Recycling Scheme lets you do just that. To recycle shoes through the Sell Your Soles program, you can bring any old shoes into a shoe store, including ones that weren't bought from shoe. The shoes will be recycled, and you'll receive a £5 voucher for each pair you donate. You can find the T&Cs of the scheme here. Also, runners' need stores tend to have recycling bins for running shoes. You won't always get a voucher for recycling your shoes with them, but we've previously seen them run a limited time promotional deal which offered out £20 in vouchers in return for old running shoes. If we see any similar offers, we'll post about them on our deals page and Facebook group. When buying a new laptop, try to sell your old one via a recycling scheme. It's a great way to make money and help the planet. For example, if you sell a laptop through Music Magpie's recycling scheme, they will either responsibly recycle it or refurbish and resell it to somebody else. It's easy to sell your laptop to Music Magpie. You'll first need to tell them the make, model and condition of your device, and they'll give you a free instant price. You can then send the laptop off to them for free and receive the money on the same day. Another site you could try is Laptops Direct. To get the best offer for your old laptop, ask for quotes from a few different companies to compare prices. Aluminum cans. To make money from your old cans, you could look into selling them via recycling centers. There's a list of recycling centers in the UK on the Think Cans website. It's important to note that, although you've probably heard of references to getting cash from cans, this is a figure of speech. Scrap metal dealers actually aren't allowed to pay for metal with cash, so you should only be paid by electronic transfer or check. Plastic bags. If you have more plastic bags than you need at home, now's your chance to recycle them and make money in the process. Some supermarkets and online food stores will give you money in return for your old plastic bags. Ocado will give you 10p for each Ocado bag you return to them. Although you can give them any type of plastic bag that you're keen to recycle, they'll only pay you for ones from Ocado. They currently recycle 89% of bags that are given back to them, but they say on their website that they're working to improve that figure. At other supermarkets, you may find that some, but not all, of their stores have similar recycling schemes in place where they'll pay you for your old plastic bags or bottles. Head into your local supermarket to see if they have a recycling scheme, or if they can direct you to a nearby store that does. Amazon gadgets. One of the best ways to make money on Amazon is to recycle your old gadgets via their trade-in program. They accept a wide range of devices, not just ones from Amazon. As well as products like Kindles and Amazon Echoes, they'll also accept some games consoles, smartphones and more. In return for your old electrical items, you'll receive an Amazon gift card. You can find more info, including the full range of eligible devices, here. Toilet roll tubes. Yep, you read that right. Instead of throwing away your empty toilet roll tubes, you could make money by selling them. In fact, old loo roll tubes are one of the top things to sell online. They can be reused for a number of purposes such as gardening, arts and crafts and pet toys. You could potentially make 10p per roll by selling them on eBay. As you'd otherwise be disposing of them for free, it's a very easy way to earn cash.